'Tis the season for power tools. Today is National Pumpkin Day, and here on Fox Square, we're taking pumpkin carving to extreme as well.
Of course, here to show us pumpkin creations that are sure to impress party guests and trick-or-treaters is Mr. Handyman's Aaron McDermott. Aaron, welcome.
Thank you for having us back on. We had so much fun yesterday on the show, and now we're outside going to show you a few different projects that you can do to kind of spice up your Halloween party.
All right.
The first one is pretty simple. So if you watched yesterday's show, we did do the same template. This is Jack the Cat. This is a template book that is available on MrHandyman.com.
Got it. So
to download the first part, we'll show you how to use the power tools.
This is if you're not creative and you just
exactly.
need like
There's some more difficult ones if you're,
Okay, but this is a watermelon.
Exactly. So, the classic jack-o'-lantern is, of course, on a pumpkin, but we wanted to show that you can carve a watermelon, a cantaloupe, any kind of melon just as easily.
I like that.
And then, of course, for the party, if you want something besides candy, you can make some fruit salad.
Oh, there you go.
So if you want to start with this, we're going to make two eyes.
Two eyes? Where are the eyes?
there.
Those aren't the eyes?
Those are his ears.
Oh, well,
Woo,
watch your
one.
hands.
I got you.
I really don't want a lawsuit on
It's
my
okay.
hands.
And then we're also going to give him a tail.
As if I need another one.
Right.
There we go.
So we're going to stick his tail
Okay.
right in. And
Oh,
then,
wow, look at that.
if you
Wow.
do you want to also do this melon?
This one right here?
Sure, go for
Can I
it.
just do? I was going to
Careful,
right over the
Pete.
head. Watch your fingers.
Oh my God.
I trust you.
This doesn't feel right.
This has gotten so much more advanced since we were
I know, it's ridiculous.
right?
I'm going to drill a hole right in the head, too.
Do it.
So creative, though, to use.
I know, it feels
that.
great.
Feels
I would
great.
never think to use power tools.
It's
to
very
do
helpful.
this.
Those
So
very
cool.
flimsy store-bought saws that you get, you
Yeah.
cannot make a great circle, and they're never going to
Takes
look the
forever.
same. So that's why we use power tools. It saves
right.
time.
Okay.
So moving
I'm just
on.
going to keep drilling.
Yeah, go for it. So this is going to be a centerpiece, and actually the finished project is here at the end in the basket or in the box. That's
Oh,
what
the flower centerpiece. That's beautiful.
That's what we're going
Okay.
for. So you can do two things with flowers. You can either just cut the top right off and make it into like a vase. You can put mums in there, any sort of bouquet. But what we're going to do is just kind of go around with each of these
I'm gonna
drills.
let
If
you do the drill
Is it a
because I got
drill
the
or a
baby.
saw?
That is a jigsaw. That is for the next project. But take one of these. And what
See,
we're going
Rick.
to do is we're
I
just going
get
to.
what
Do you
you're
want to
doing.
do the
And
flowers?
then you
then?
just stick the flowers in.
Sure.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
And so,
Watch those fingers.
so we're going
Rick
to just
is
kind of.
being very
He's being very
proactive.
handy.
Oh, so this is so cool.
And
Just
you
you're
can
so
do
crafty.
as
There
many
you
as you
go.
want. And it's
Oh,
so
I like
simple,
that.
and it looks so pretty. It's a
It
nice
does look
centerpiece.
beautiful.
Of course,
Great
it's
job,
Pretty
Rick.
impressive.
It's
What a great idea.
Right, and it's really
I
good
love
for
it.
Thanksgiving as well. So of course we're getting ready for the holidays, Thanksgiving,
Yes,
you're
the whole
hosting.
season.
Something I wanted to mention, if you notice over here, we have all of our Neighborly brands. So Mr. Handyman is part of the Neighborly family of brands. If you go to getneighborly.com, you can learn about all of our sister brands. We've got Window
All right,
Genie,
cool.
Mr. Ritter. We do everything around the house, home services.
Let's
So
get to
if
the
you need
heavy
get ready-
tools.
You want it?
Yeah, what do I do next?
Oh,
That's a
yeah.
serious one.
So before you start,
Careful,
I do
Ed.
want you to kind of look down here at the finished
right.
product. So what we're making here is a game for your party. What we're going to do is kind of just cut a big mouth, and then these brains are kind of like beanbags.
Ed, watch your fingers.
Ed, careful.
That was awesome.
God, I love power tools and pumpkins.
Do you want to turn it?
Don't lose a finger.
That's the wrong direction.
You gotta go
weird.
forward.
All right, we gotta leave
Are
it
you
there.
done? Awesome. Yeah. So basically, what we're going for is to get a big mouth there, and you can toss
You
these.
rip it out.
Wow.
Yeah,
Play
exactly.
again.
Do you want me to
All
finish
right,
it?
we're gonna complete it.
Amazing stuff, Aaron.
Awesome stuff. Thanks so
Mr.
much.
Handyman.
Appreciate it.
And we also do have a Facebook contest right now for a Lowe's
Oh,
gift
Facebook
card. It's a
contest.
pumpkin carving contest. So you don't have to use our templates, but go to Mr. Handyman's Facebook to enter.